Hello children, welcome to today's class. Please open your Studio Volume 1 books. Studio Volume 1 books children. Yes. Page number 35 children. Page number 35. Here some things we have to learn. Some things we have to learn in this chapter. Is it right children? Yes. Our family. See, our family. Works our family members do. Okay, people who help us. Who help us children in our day-to-day life? Who help us? Yes, who help us? Postman, milkman and vegetable vendor, next driver. Those are helpers. Is it right? So you have to write here postman, next one milkman, driver, vegetable vendor. Okay children, please complete this. You have to write here postman, driver, milkman and vegetable vendor. Okay, please complete it. Postman, milkman, driver, vegetable vendor. Please complete it. Please doing fast children. Postman, milkman, driver and vegetable vendor. Okay. Next one. Question time children. Question time. See, write true if the statement is correct. Write false if the statement is wrong. We have to complete this blanks children. Okay. Speaking to others politely is a good manner. Is it a good manner or bad manner children? Speaking to interact with people politely, is it a good manner or bad manner? Yes, it is a good manner. So it is a true statement. It is a true statement. You have to write here true. True. Have to write in this blank true. Next one. Apart from our family members, there are other people who help us in our day-to-day activities. Is it a true statement or false statement children? Yes, in our day-to-day life, driver, postman, those are help us. So it is also a true statement. You have to write true. True. Okay, this is also a true statement children. Next, in next page, read the story and fill in the blanks. Use the words given in the help box. Here, some words are given children, and by using these words, we have to complete this letter. Okay, we have to complete this story children. See, one evening, Neha and Appu were playing with a ball outside their house. One evening, Neha, Nita and Appu are playing outside their house. Next, their ball bounced over to their neighbor's garden. Okay, suppose you and your friends are playing in your house. Okay, suddenly the ball bounced into your neighbor's house. Then what we do children is we have to go and talk to that neighbors and take that ball. Is it right? Like that, Nita and Appu are also playing in their house, and suddenly the ball bounced. Nita went to their neighbor's house and said, "Good evening, aunt." Good evening, auntie. Okay, Nita go to neighbor's house and said, "Good evening, auntie." First, we have to greet. Is it right? If we meet any person, we have to greet. So, like that, Nita have to greet. Good evening, auntie. Good evening, auntie. You have to write here. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening, auntie. Anju. Good evening. Have to write here. Good evening. Good evening. Okay. Please complete it. Okay, children. Our ball bounced into your house. Can I take it? Then asked to that neighbor, "Auntie, good evening, auntie. My ball is bounced into your garden. Can I take that ball, aunt?" Then the neighbor said, then the auntie said, "No, I will not give it back. It hit me on the head. No, I am not giving this ball because it hit me. It hit me." Okay, if you hurt anyone, what would you say? Yes, we have to say sorry. Then Nita said, "We are very dash sorry. We are very sorry because Nita hurt that neighbor." So Nita says sorry to that neighbor. So you have to write here sorry. Sorry. Have to write sorry. See children, sorry. Next, please complete it. Sorry. Okay. We will be careful. Next time we will be careful. Sorry, auntie. This will not repeat again. I am sure that this will not repeat again. The neighbor gave back the ball with a smile. Then neighbor give the ball with a smile because Nita says sorry. Okay. Nita said thank you. If they have to give ball, so if anybody help us, okay, if anybody help us, we have to say thank you. So that's why Nita say thank you. You have to write here thank you. Thank you. Have to write here thank you. Please complete it fast. Okay. Nita said thank you, auntie, and ran back to play with Appu. Okay, Nita say thank you and she has to run back and have to play with Appu. Okay, children, if we have to hurt anyone, then we have to say sorry. If anybody help us, then we have to say thank you. If we meet any person, then we have to greet them. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or hi, hello, like that. Okay, children, we have to greet them. Please read new words, children. Please read new words. Please open your CW. Open your CW, children. Open your CW. Yesterday we have to read this dressing and competition. Today you have to read different grandmother. Okay. Different grandmother, different, grandmother, different, 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 grandmother, 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 different and grandmother. Please read these two new words and write in your CW one time, children. Okay, and you have to read 1 to 7 new words also. Okay, tomorrow we conduct slip test 1 to 7 new words. Okay, this is today's class, children. Thank you everyone.